Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Picked up a few vehicles, Matchbox vehicles the last couple of weeks at Walmart. Just want to do a quick review of these premium Matchbox series. These are the first mix of the premium that we've received in Vancouver with the new type of boxing. They're very difficult to find. There's 5 in the set and I got 2 of them, so I just want to do a quick video unboxing them and comparing them to some of the other versions of those vehicles that I have. So give me a second while I unbox them and we will go through them. Thanks. So I've unboxed the first vehicle and I just want to have a quick look at the box before we look at the vehicle. So those are the graphics. This is number 4 of 20. And as you can see, this is a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Coupe. There's the front of the packaging. And then of course there's the back as well. And you can see that there are 5 vehicles in this particular mix. The 1982 Datsun 20ZX is very difficult to find in Vancouver. We're looking at the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Coupe today, as well as a 1963 Honda T360. The Nissan and the Pagani are also very difficult to get a hold of, and I will keep trying so that I can review them for you guys. So let's just have a quick look at this vehicle, but before we do that, let's have a look at the box. I love these boxes. I think it's really cool. Bit of an old school feel to it. Yeah, really nice. Really well done. And to have a look at the vehicle, let's just give it a whirl. It's quite a nice vehicle. There's the back, fully detailed as you can see. I'm just going to pick it up so we can have a closer look at it. So fully detailed, rubber wheels, quite nice. Fully detailed front and side, and as you can see, we already saw the back is quite well detailed as well. Now I'm not sure about the color red. I mean, it's a good color. Just I wish the livery or the, you see the design here is also red, so there's not a lot of contrast in it. There's the back, P42, 2015 Jaguar F-Type Coupe. Now I've got several versions of this that I'm also going to unbox. So I've got this particular version and I have it in several different shades of orange. We've seen it before. I'm just going to quickly show you guys the back. So that's from 2016. And then I have it in black as well. Same vehicle. And that's from 2015. And as you can see, I got several orange versions and I got several black versions. And then there's of course the version from the Global Series, the 2021 version of it. And I haven't opened that one. So give me a second. I'm going to open the blue one, the orange one, and a black one. And I do have another blue in my collection as well. So give me a sec here. So I've opened all the boxes and just the Global Series, just to show you the guys the back of that. Those are some of the other cars in that series, and it's from 2020. And there's the open orange version, which is from 2016. And let's have a look at these vehicles. So first time I've opened an orange one. backs. And the one really good thing about it is that all the backs have been detailed, so they all look quite good. There's it in black, 2015, the 2022 red version, and then the Global Series, and then this blue version there, that's from a couple of years ago. I think it's a 2020 or 2019. And of course the orange one is from 2016. So let's have a closer look at some of these. So the 2016 orange, and this comes in several different variations of orange. You just have to have a good eye to see it in the right light. Look at that detailing. Jaguar sign on the left there. Really is a very, very nice vehicle. Very collectible. So the only one that I don't own is a green version, which came out probably 4 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. And there it is in blue. Same set of wheels as the orange version. Detailed headlights. Look at that. Jaguar sign at the back, and of course the full moon roof. Really, really nice. The English version, sorry, the Global Series version, different set of tires. Well, the same set of tires, but this one doesn't have this silver filling in them. I actually quite like it in just a simple black there. Looks quite good. Because the lights pop really well against that blue. It's a really nice interior. And then we already saw this, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but look at that. Look at the detailing at the front. By far the best. Really nice. And then finally, and last but not least, in black. Now the grille isn't filled in on that one, as you can see. This one has a gray interior. Still a black base. So that's it for the Jags, guys. And now we're going to look at the Honda. So let's just have a quick look at the vehicle in its box. The graphics is really, really good on the box. I love this little vehicle. I think it's really, really cool and very collectible. Number 5 of 20. Of course, it's from the same series as the Jag that we just saw, so I'm not going to spend too much time on the back. Give me a second while I open it up. So I've opened it up. I tried to open it fairly carefully. Wasn't as successful as I wanted to be. And there's the box. Let's just have a quick look at it. Once again, really nice. Fantastic graphics. Of course, it's an outline version of it. And the back. Not spend too much time, but let's just have a look at this vehicle. Really cool. So rubber tires, good detailing. It says Honda service vehicle. It's got something written in Japanese. I'm not sure what it says. If anyone does read Japanese, please do let me know. And it's big Honda sign at the front. And good detailing at the back as well. As well as the number plate. T360. My eyes are just not good enough to read it. The smaller writing there, but there is something. I think it says commercial something. I'm not sure if the... I just want to see if this is a moving part. It does have a moving part. Didn't let it whirl earlier, so I'm just going to let it go around once. Look at that. That is really nice. Look at the detailing. Very cool. I'm going to love collecting this particular model. And then I do have another version of it that came in this moving part series. See, the box is slightly damaged, but it was the only one there, and I was going to open it anyway, so I gracefully took it. So this is the vehicle that, it's a different type of vehicle, and I think the thinking here is the images at the bottom so that little kids, when they look up at the racks, they can see the vehicles. Interesting concept, makes it quite difficult to store. I'm going to open this one up as well, and just to show you guys the back. So this is from 2021. It's fairly recent. I've had it for a few months now, but and I've really wanted to open it. I just didn't have any reason to open it because I didn't have anything to compare it to. So give me a second while I open that vehicle up as well. So that's been opened as well. Now let's just have a quick look at the two vehicles. So to give you guys an idea, these premium series version, they work out to about $9 Canadian plus tax. And then the moving parts version, which is that version, they're just under $5 Canadian. So almost half the price. And the only real difference in terms of what you're getting is you're getting a set of rubber tires. Seems a bit steep. Well, I guess there's also detailing on every side of the vehicle on the premium line, whereas in this particular vehicle there's no side livery at all, but it has the same moving part. So, but you can see this one doesn't actually hold up, it's a bit flimsy. Got to kind of hold it up, but good detailing. It's quite nice. Tires are quite basic. I think I showed you guys the back of this particular one, so there you go. Look at that. See the rubber tires with the grip? That's really nice. Alright guys, that's it for today. I'm just gonna put all the vehicles that we looked at on here. Let it whirl once so you guys get to see them one more time. Have a fantastic night, guys. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. If you'd like this video, please like it on my channel. Thank you.